Saturday, October 4th, 2008. 10408 Moon. Share this. The following information was provided on 10/4/8. This is my 8th posting to Mark's Corner. I strongly suggest you read the earlier postings first, preferably in chronological order. I am Bren-Ton of Andromeda. My greetings to you from our starship. When we last communicated, I said to you that the Earth originally had no moon. The artificial satellite, which you call the moon, was inserted into Earth's orbit quite recently in terms of the life of the planet. As you can imagine, it took a great power to do this. Observations of the backside of the moon by human probes and astronauts confirm that there are artificial structures there. These are part of the artificial nature of the moon. Earth's moon does not rotate because she is an observation platform. The moon has major effects on the planet and her people. It causes the tides, which wash the shore of the land unevenly, and affects fishermen and others who must traverse the seas. The moon affects the cycles of women. The moon also creates an artificial time. These are but part of the control placed upon this planet and her people by a very powerful dark force that enslaved this region of the galaxy. In addition to inserting the moon, it tilted Earth's axis of rotation. Earth was not tilted prior to this point. This was done to show the very planet the power of the darkness, to place her in chains, if you will. Over the next few months, we will remove the moon, and we will right the planet on her axis. Earth will then spin perpendicular to her rotation about the Sun, her original rotation. This will moderate the climate of the planet. The temperate zones will no longer experience seasons. Growing will be extended to year-round, like in more tropical climates. Then the continued heating of the planet will bring about an even more expanded zone in which the climate will be conducive to growing food and other plants. The tropical zone will not be unduly hot. You can imagine that there will be effects on the weather. That is why we are moving the axis of the planet quite slowly. We anticipate that it may also produce strains on the tectonic plates. We anticipate that after a short period of time, the climate will attain stability, so there will be no more hurricanes or tornadoes. We believe it will be more stable, salubrious and moderate, more conducive to human habitation, without the need for technology to battle a constantly cycling climate. The removal of the moon will also be done slowly, so as to interrupt things on the planet's surface minimally. It will be withdrawn gradually, perpendicular to the surface. Over time, you will see the moon gradually retreat from Earth. These measures give the humans of Earth an idea of our commitment to helping you. We are restoring Earth to that which it was prior to envelopment by the dark. That dark power has now been dissipated by the combined efforts of your brothers and sisters from other star systems. This has been a project of significant magnitude, a cooperative effort of unprecedented size. It will require continued efforts, involving many large craft, to tow away the moon and to right the axis of the planet. Cleaning the surface of the planet from the effects of the darkness will be easier. However, it will require the skill of a surgeon, rather than the meat cleaver of the butcher. The people of Earth will be intimately involved in that process. I am Bren-Ton of Andromeda. I bid you goodbye until our next communication. All aboard send their love to our brothers and sisters on the planet. Woo! That's it for today, folks. In truth, love and joy. Mark. Labels. Axis. Bren-Ton. Climate. Control of Earth. Dark energy. Moon. Permalink.